Evening, everyone.
Good night.
All right, hello.
Evening.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Gaston. How you doing? Is
Fine.
that
Thank you.
Rashad? Is that Rashad Rashad in there? I think that's Rashad. No, Miss Gustav. Miss Gustav, how you doing, Miss Gustav?
I'm good.
All right. All right, good evening, everyone. It's good to have you all here in the flesh. Well, not in the flesh because we are on virtual, but I don't know, I guess I could say in the spirit. What do you think, Lanaya?
Me?
Yeah.
In the spirit, I
And
mean,
the,
I guess,
Good afternoon.
it resonates with my soul. That's very
I feel like you're trying to say
to
we
me,
dead and we're ghosts.
and I
I
love
know.
it. You
All
know?
right, all right, all right, all right. All right. It's good to have you all here anyway. I guess we could just use the word virtually. That works. Um, I I can't believe that what I should be good. I can't believe that today is the last day of the week for classes. Oh no, these days are just literally
So sad.
just I know, right? It's like depressing at this point.
I actually
Um,
thought the day like one of the days we have class. I forgot the day was Thursday.
yeah, today is the last day for classes for this week. I can't believe 4 days already passed so quickly, but
Don't
hey,
worry, Monday coming back soon.
Monday, Monday coming after, right? Monday, right? Sunday right there. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you for reminding me. Let me just put in a plug um right now that that um that we are having Sunday classes. It's still on. Sunday classes at 2 p.m. from 2 to 4 in person, face to face. That's for those who are able to make it. If you're in the Family Island, then definitely you're not able to make it. But if you're in New Providence, then I would suggest that you please do good diligence to make it to those Sunday classes because honestly, I know we do a lot in these classes, but what we do in these classes is still not enough because it's so much to cover. I thought about that the other day. I was like, Lord have mercy, it's so much to cover. So much work. I wish I could have you all night, all day. That's how much
Whoa,
it is
whoa,
to
whoa,
cover.
guys. Let's calm
Yeah.
down.
Say what?
Yeah, that's how much,
Let's calm down.
yeah, that's how much it is. But we can try our best to make the best use of the time that we have. I think that's the only thing we could do. Um, make the best use of what we have. And so, um, these 2 to 3 hours that we have, we're gonna try to do good diligence and make sure that every second counts. At any rate, let's go into the lesson for the day. Today is Thursday, undoubtedly. Thursday, the 19th of January, 2022. No, 2023.
2023, Mr.
Yeah,
Petit.
I know, right? Subject is mathematics. We're going to begin with 2 hours of math, and then we're going to transition over to social studies, and then we're going to end on a high note with religious. Um, this probably is going to be our last class dealing with linear equations. I think that linear equations and word problems. So this is gonna. I think this is the last class dealing with that. Um, I think that that is something that we've done good with. I think that you have gotten a sense of what it is to do for that. Not that we have covered everything there is to know on that. Like Sets, I feel like we really hammered down sets, but for linear equations, it's just too much questions, too much questions to see for us to really cover every question. You know, you have to use wisdom and discretion, and just a good sense of mathematical maturity to be able to get the rest of them. But we're gonna be doing a few today, and now we'll call it a wrap on linear equations and word problems. We're gonna move on to something else. All right. I really wish that I had some of you all from since grade 7. But unfortunately, I only have you for 4 months. And so we have to make the world change in 4 months. And we're gonna try our best to do that. That's all we could do. All right. So let's do it. We're gonna begin with an example. I did promise to do what we did yesterday. I did promise to do that again. So because I felt that I was really rushed, so we didn't get a really good opportunity to see it properly. So that's what we're gonna start off with, and we're gonna iterate on that particular question. And hopefully you get an understanding of what it is that we should do for that. We didn't put it, I put it. This was not, we wouldn't call it a challenge question, definitely not. Certainly not a bonus. It just was an extra question that I gave, you know, a part of the 6. I guess that's the way to describe it. All right, so let's write this down.
The words that you're gonna use in the position of bonus. Any other words? Like
Any other?
let us know now so we can just
prepare yourself.
Yeah, just tell you what not to.
What not?
Yeah, you know, because
I know, right? Lanai, are you physically back to school yet, or?
No, I don't go to school at all.
Okay.
I stay home, virtual, all the time.
Okay. Oh, so your classes are virtual?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Oh my
I
goodness.
know, right? Isn't it awesome? Oh my
God. What a life. What a life. Wow, that's interesting. Wow. Okay, interesting. All right. So what time does the class start? What time does the class start?
From 8:30 to 2:30.
From 8:30. That's early in the morning.
Yeah.
All right. Taekwondo. Where's Taekwondo? Where's Taekwondo? How you doing, Taekwondo? I really wish I could hear you, because I understand that you are very, very smart. Where's Jamisha? Jamisha, tell me that you are Albert Einstein's cousin. So I really wish I could hear from you, but I know that you missed those 2 classes because of technical reasons. I'll definitely send you the recordings of those classes so you could get right with it. All right, so write this down. Ariel, can you read this question for me, please? Starting from Jack and all the way down to A. Ariel Bodie.
Jack thinks of a number y, multiplies it by 3, then subtracts 5. Susan thinks of the same number y and adds 15 to it. Both Jack and Susan end up with the same number. Write an equation to show this.
Very good. Good. So, oh my. All right, so we really gotta, take this piece by piece. All right, it's a lot in one. We really gotta take it piece by piece. I think A is where you really gotta pay attention. All right, you really gotta pay attention with A. All right, so it says Jack thinks of a number and he calls it Y. All right, so that's what we're gonna call this number. Some person say, well, Y isn't a number, Y is a letter. Well, in math, letters are used to represent numbers, right? So, all right, so she thinks of a number. Jack thinks of a number, this is a male, sorry. Jack thinks of a number Y, then he multiplies it by 3, okay? So if we think of a number Y and then multiply it by 3, how would we express that? Y multiplied by 3. What would we write? Y multiplied by 3. How would we write that?
3y.
3y. Very good. 3y. Okay. Y multiplied by 3 is 3y, or 3 times y. Okay. And then he had the audacity to subtract 5 from 3y. Okay, so how would we write that? He subtracts 5. How would we write that?
Minus 5. Like
Very
minus
good.
sign 5.
Yeah, minus 5. Very good. So subtract 5. Okay, so let me go over that. The first thing he does, he takes y and multiplies it by 3. It's going to be 3y, or 3 times y. And that's the same way how we write it. 3 times y is 3y. All right. So 3y minus 5. Remember, he subtracts 5. He subtracts 5. So 3y minus 5. Okay. Okay, good. So that's what we have. That's Jack. This is all Jack. All right. Now we are with Suzanne. Okay. Suzanne thinks of a number, same number y, and adds 15 to it. Okay, so there again, we have y, all right, but she's gonna add 15. So how would we write that? She thinks of a number y, adds 15. How are we gonna write that?
Y plus 15.
Very good, y plus 15. Y plus 15. Good. All right. So 3y minus 5 is Jack. This is Jack's arithmetic, or what he did with his number. He multiplied by 3, he subtract 5, and then this is Suzanne's stuff. She have a number, she add 15. Okay. Write an equation to show, okay, now both Jack and Suzanne end up with the same number, right? So by the time he take this number, multiply by 3, subtract 5, and by the time she take the same number, add 15, they both end up with the same number, interestingly enough, right? And because they both end up with the same number, we can say that whatever this is must be equal to whatever that is. And so therefore we would definitely have an equal sign. All right, so they asked us to write an equation. We're definitely gonna have an equal sign. So the answer is here is 3y minus 5 equals to y plus 15. And that's how we, that's how we end up with that particular answer. Okay, any questions for number 1A? Any questions based on that? We have 3y minus 5, y plus 15. Any questions? No? Okay. Now, the next part is where,
Oh, sorry. I do
Oh.
have a question.
go ahead. This is sound like, let me guess, Daniel?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
So why wouldn't the 3y minus 5 equals be separate from the y y? Why wouldn't it be in the same why wouldn't it be before the equal? The y plus 15, why wouldn't that be before the equal?
Okay, good. So you got to follow me when I explain it, okay? So pay very close attention when I explain this, okay? You listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remember, at the end of the day, when what's his name? When Jack finished multiplying and subtracting by 5, he's gonna end up with a number, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. We don't know what that number is, but we know that he's gonna end up with a number. Good. Now, Suzanne is doing her stuff on the next table, like they ain't on the same table. Like he's sitting down doing his own thing on his own table. She's on the next table. You can even think about the next classroom. You can even think about the next island. Either way, they're not together, okay? But she
Yes,
happened
sir.
to think of the same number, and when she add 15 to her number, Jack end up with a number, and Suzanne end up with a number, and both of those numbers are the same, or both of those numbers are equal to each other. So because both of those numbers are equal to each other, we have to put Jack numbers on one side and Suzanne number on one side and equate them. Okay. That's why we can't put them on the same side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. Does that help to answer your question?
Yes, sir. It did.
Okay, good. Now it's time to solve this equation. It is definitely a linear equation. And we know it's a linear equation because the highest power of y is 1. So let's go. So we have 3y minus 5. It's going to be equal to y plus 15. All right, so we have 3y minus 5 equals to y plus 15. All right, can anyone help me answer this question? Anyone? How are we gonna do it? All right, Mr. Drexwell, good to hear your voice, man. Couldn't hear from you all yesterday. It's like, oh boy.
Yeah, no, I couldn't come to class, so.
Okay, sure, no problem. I thought you were gonna strike.
No more, no more.
We'll just put it in your bag. All right. All right, so we have the collect like term. So that means that we're gonna send the y. We're gonna send the y over the equal sign. So the y goes on the side of the 3y to send it over. And this negative 5 goes on this side, okay? So be careful.
Mr. T,
Go ahead. Yes, ma'am.
right? So
Mm-hmm.
you have to when you sending them over the equal sign, right?
Mm-hmm.
Even then you can let all the numbers stay on one side.
So what you mean?
Like you moving the y
Mm-hmm.
over to what is this, Jack's side, and then
Mm-hmm.
the other thing to Susan's side. What all of them just can't stay on one side, even
No.
when.
Okay, you're saying why does the letters have to be on one side and the numbers on one side? That's the question.
Yeah.
No,
Why they all?
Yeah, very good. They also have to be separate from one another, always. So your mind is, whenever you look at a linear equation, you're always trying to say, okay, hey, boom, I want my letters on one side, I want my numbers on one side. They can't be together. All right. If you look at all of the things that we have done, our goal is always to put the letters on one side and numbers on one side. Otherwise, we can't do algebra. We need them separate. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Why is that the case? Go ask Albert Einstein. Tell him why he invented such.
I know, right? I was just thinking that. I was like, why does it have to be so complicated? Like,
all right. So the y, the sign does change, Taekwondo. The sign does change. So y was positive. So since y was positive, it's going to be what? It was positive y. That's going to be what? Negative y. Very good. Negative y going to be equal to, this is 15. Right. So we have positive 15. And it was negative 5. So it's going to be what? It was negative 5. Now it's going to be what?
positive.
Very good. It was negative 5. Now it's going to be positive 5. So we're going to have plus 5 here. All right. Good. There's Divine. Divine, are you here? No, can't have from Divine. Caleb, are you here, sir?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good, Divine. You there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is 15 plus 5?
20.
What? That's absolutely correct. 15 plus 5 is 20. Okay, 15 plus 5 is 20. Now, this question goes to Caleb. Caleb, what is 3y minus y? What is 3y minus y?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
I'm asking Caleb.
Would it be 3?
No, 3y minus y. It's just like saying 3y minus 1y.
Oh yeah, 2y.
2y, very good. So always remember that 3y minus y is 2y. 15 plus 5 is 20. Okay, so let's write that down again. 2y is equal to 20. Good. All right, next up, I want you all to next up, what's the next step at this point? Gonna do what?
Division.
Yes, very good. You want to divide both sides by
2.
divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. And so we cancel out. These two cancel out. So we have y is equal to, what is 20
10.
divided by 2? Moesha says 10. Very good, Moesha. It is definitely 10. How do you say 10 in Spanish?
10, I think.
10. I know, I'm the Spanish expert. Y'all are the experts here. All right. She's right? Okay, good.
Yes.
All right, any questions based on this? Any questions for me? Nope.
No, sir.
No? Okay.
No, I don't think so.
All right.
Hold on. Yeah.
Go ahead, Gathwan. Any questions for me?
Yeah, well, as usual,
Mm-hmm.
I just started, so
Okay, so you're trying to catch yourself, or you know what
yeah.
you're doing.
Yeah.
All right.
Mr. Petit, you're doing another example, right?
Yes, ma'am, as we always do.
Great.
Definitely have to do another example. All right.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. By the way, I have some homework to do, so
Mm-hmm.
I hope it wouldn't be a problem if I just have the session on screen record if you don't mind.
Sure, no problem. You can screen record the thing.
Okay.
I'm also
All right, thank
recording
you.
as well. So I know. I hope you go back and send the recording. That's
Yeah.
another thing. All right, so
Okay.
let's do another example. This is going to be resume. Someone says good night. Good night to you as well.
Excuse me.
Go ahead, Jadon.
If I get kicked out of the meeting, it's because current is dipping at the moment.
Okay, sure, no problem. I know. That can't be my Wi-Fi. I know. I understand that. But I know sometimes people have technical difficulties, so that's okay.
Definitely couldn't be your Wi-Fi.
No, definitely not. Cause how preposterous the idea. Shia Ferguson, how you doing?
I'm good.
All right, good to have you as usual. Example number 2. Shai, and you school like the Windsor, right? I think that's your school you go to.
Yes, sir.
All right, and that's where all the smart people school too, right?
Apparently.
Say apparently. Say apparently. All right, then subtracts. Let's say subtract 6. Let's say Ariel thinks of the same number, adds 16 to it, both. Richard. Do you like it there though? And Ariel.
It's good.
It's cool. Okay. And you don't
They
get to wear
kind
any.
of,
Go ahead.
huh?
Go ahead. You was gonna say something.
They kind of weird sometimes, but they cool.
As at all schools, there's a weird element in there. All right. All right, so moving right along. Go ahead. Jennifer, can you read this example for me, please?
Sure. Rashard thinks of a number y, multiplies it by 3, then subtracts 6. Ariel thinks of the same number y and adds 16 to it. Both Rashay and Ariel end up with the same number.
Okay, A.
Sorry, A. Write an equation to show this.
Okay, very good. And who want to help me with want to help me with
Yes, sir.
Daniel, you want to okay, good. Go ahead.
Okay, so it would be 3y
Okay,
subtracted,
so 3y
subtracted by 6
subtract 6. Okay,
equals.
equals
Wait, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Equals y plus 16.
y plus 16. Okay, do you agree with that, Deja?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me why.
It says multiply by 3 and 3y is the same as multiplying y by 3, subtract 6, take away 6. Then you have the equal sign because they're thinking of the same number.
Mm-hmm.
And y then add 16. So I think it's right.
Okay, very good. So if we read it carefully, remember, especially for those who are just joining, Richard thinks of a number, y. This is Richard's number, y. All right. He multiplies it by 3. So that's why we have 3 times y, 3 times y. All right. Then he subtracted by 6. All right. That's why we have subtract 6. This is Richard. Then we go to Ariel. Ariel thinks of a same number y. She adds 16 to it. So y plus 16, because that's what adding means, right? Add 16. Now both Richard and Ariel end up with the same number, so that's why we put the equal sign between. Okay, Kevin, do you understand? Where's Kevin? Kevin, are you there? I can't hear from Kevin. Mikhail, do you understand this? That's Mikhail. Okay, can't hear from Mikhail. How about Harvey? Do you understand what to do?
Yes.
Okay. Shalise, do you understand what to do? Okay. Antonia, I think that's her name. Or Miss Bell, maybe I just could use that.
Antonio. I
Antonia.
put Miss Bell because I know you never pronounce it properly.
Miss Bell, yeah, let me put Miss Bell. Miss Bell, do you understand what's going on?
Yes, I do.
Okay, that's good. I listened to your voice note. Yeah, we get into that. I wish you could come to the Sunday classes, man.
I'm coming this Sunday. I come in. I ain't taking no OT. I come in.
Okay, good. Thank you. You will definitely understand the experience. Good.
All right.
Bring a geometry set, please. Please bring a geometry set.
On a calculator or just a geometry?
Yes, calculator, graphing paper, please.
All right.
Then we have Mariah. Do you understand this? Mariah?
Yes, sir.
How about Malaya? Do you understand what we did here? Malaya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Malaya, I haven't been receiving any photos from you.
I was having a problem with my internet yesterday.
Okay. Can you send photos today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, moving right along. It says solve the equation to find the value of y. So Tamaya, can you help me to solve the equation, please?
3y
Uh-huh.
Subtract 6 equals 16.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Underneath it,
Okay.
2y.
2y. Can I send the y over the equal sign first? Can I do that?
Yes.
Okay. What else do I need to send over the equal sign?
6.
Very good. Okay, very good. All right. All right, when we send the y over, it was positive. What does it become next? Hey, Tamaya, it was positive. Y. When you send it over, it becomes what?
Negative.
Yes, negative y. Very good. And we have positive 6 when we send it over. Sorry, negative 6. When we send it over the equal sign, it becomes what?
Positive.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Rochelle, no. Where's Rochelle? No.
You said me?
Yes, sir. What is 16 plus 6?
That's a 22.
Yes, sir. 22.
And 3.
And we ask Frank Pong, what is 3y minus y? Frank Pong,
Yes, sir.
what is 3y minus y?
2y. 2y.
Very good. 2y because it's 3y minus 1y, which is 2y. Deasia Johnson, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, at this point, what do we do? Can we divide both sides by 2?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. What happens to these two 2's? Can they cancel out each other?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And the Asia Johnson, what is 22 divided by 2?
22 divided by 2 is 11.
11. Very good. Deja, any questions on this? How we got these with these steps? Questions
sir.
on it? Okay. Make sure, please, when we start with the exercises, please send me a picture of your work, okay? Especially you.
Okay.
All right. All right. Okay. Any questions on this, Mr. Noel?
Did you call me?
Yeah, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Chris Raming, any questions from you?
Pardon?
No, not you. Chris Raming, any questions from you? All right, I can't hear from Chris Raming. Shaya Ferguson, any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay. How about anyone else? Any questions for me based on this?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. So when I give the exercises, I don't hear no one say, "Oh, I don't understand." So please
No,
let me know.
we only have a problem with the exercise when we throw them curve for last question and certain people
No,
bring in.
I don't have no
And
curveballs,
then,
Josh.
and then
I
it's
don't know.
I don't
switching.
eat enough oats to answer them little questions that then.
I don't know curveball. What are you talking about? All of them are be the exact same thing, and just a different color I put on the background. Fine.
That is not true.
All right, we'll see. We'll see today. Y'all don't want no bonus, right? Y'all say y'all don't want no bonus, right?
No bonus, no challenge question, no different
I
color.
lie. I need a bonus right now, but
You need a bonus? Okay, ping pong, love it. Ping pong say bring on the bonus.
Now, what
Yeah.
side are you really on?
I think you should send at the
I
front
thought-
phone separately.
Saying
You're right, because I thought we were on. I thought we were on the team. I really
Wow.
thought.
I got lie in my mind now.
He changed it.
Probably no bonus today.
He said he changed his mind. Draxville. Where's Draxville? Draxville. Any bonus?
Don't ask me. No, don't ask me. No, I here for whatever you gotta do. That's just me, though. That's just me. I don't speak for the rest of them.
You know why I asked you?
Yeah, I know. You ain't gonna do that, Mr. Petite, man. You ain't gonna do that.
Oh, I can remember that vividly. They tried
Yeah, that
gang
was
you that
bad.
day. They tried.
Yeah, that was bad. No. Believe you, make the decision. You got the final say.
Oh my goodness, they tried gang you that day, man. It's like what? Oh boy. Oh boy. All right. Let's change up the names. Let's try use names of persons who are actually in this class. So I need a name, male name, Caleb. Let's say Caleb. Caleb thinks of a number. Do I have to use Y all the time?
No.
No, sir.
No, right?
Even I'll mess some people up, but not really.
No. I don't have to use, and do I have to use 3 all the time?
No. Then again,
No.
it is okay. It is completely okay to do so.
Okay. All right.
Make it
All right.
easier for you.
For me, yeah, maybe that's true. You're lying. Diamond. It's a nice name. Diamond thinks of a number adds so
21? 21. You do it for me.
no, sir. No, Frank Paul. No, none of that. Let's say 1, 3, 13 to it. Both Caleb and what's her name? Diamond. That's one thing I don't like with these questions. They word problems. You'll be writing for a very long time. But we have to plow through it. That's just our lot at this point.
Mr. Petit, you should not be complaining. You will copy and paste it. You have to change like 4.
Hey, listen, I had to go through the same thing. So I already did my reps.
You could just leave us out here.
I already did my reps. Hey, bucks. Okay, she multiplies it by 3, then subtracts, let's say subtracts 8, then adds 22 to it. What's the girl I could use? Shea. Thanks for the same both Jensen and Shea end up at the same number.
So do we really have like 6?
Say it again.
Do we really have to do 6?
Yeah, most definitely. We'll do all the questions.
All right.
Let's say Drexel thinks of a number Y, multiplies it by 3. Adds adds 9. And we could say Rakia. How you doing, Rakia? Or Rakaya? I think it's the word. Yeah, Rakia. Adds 23 to it. Both Traxwell and Kaya. Kaya will end up with the same number in the equation. All right, now number 4. Michael. Michael, thanks of a number.
Miss,
Mr. Petit, I would have you know that my finger is killing me to death with all this writing, and you are the cause of it.
Mr. Petita's internet situation getting the best of your laptop again.
Please make sure that I wonder if they could hear me. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hello. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I'm calling on Eden and I'm not hearing him in the class. I don't know what he's doing right now. Yeah. So, please.
Hello? Hello?
He is here. He just now is responding. Maybe because he hear you on the phone.
Mr. Batik, I think your mic was muted the whole time, you know.
All right, then. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Y'all can hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Aiden, how you doing, sir?
That's fine.
Yeah. What number are you on?
I'm on number 2.
Okay. Do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Send me a number 1. Let me see if you did it right. Please.
Okay.
Okay. Angelina, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. What number you on?
Number 2B.
Number 2B. Do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Angelina Moxie. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which one is this? This is the older sister or the bigger sister? I mean, sorry, that don't make no sense. Is it the older sister or the younger sister?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, Angelina, I don't receive work from you, you know. I receive work from your bigger sister, but not from you. Why is that?
I do work, but like I start waiting to come home. She keeps coming from work late.
I get barely hear you. Say it again.
I can send you the password now if you want.
Yeah, send me the work from yesterday, please. And also send me the work for the day so I can see what you're doing.
Okay.
Thank you. Ariel Bodie, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay, what number you on?
Number 5.
What? Wow. That's incredible. Okay, very good. Okay, Mr. Aiden. Aiden.
Yes, sir.
Instead of putting plus 16, you have to put plus 13. Because you see it say, diamond thinks of the same number y and adds 13. Okay? You're supposed to add 13, not 16, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and then you'll get the right answer. So do number 1 again, and then let me see it.
Okay.
Okay. Ariana, Gustav, how you doing?
I'm good.
Okay, what number you on?
I'm on number 5B.
Number 5B. Very good. No, wait, number 5B. Wow. Y'all are moving fast today. It's excellent. All right. Go ahead, Mikhail.
I got the first answer, but I'm using my mom's phone. I can't send it.
What do you mean you can't send it? I don't understand.
I don't know how to take a screenshot on this phone.
What you could do is log off and then take a picture of it and then come back on. But do that when you finish all of them, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Caleb, what number you on, sir?
Number 2.
Number 2, okay. Do you understand what to do? Caleb, do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
I wasn't here yesterday. So
Oh yeah, my mind just gone on you could live along. Yeah, so this will be on. Want me go back so you could see how to do it.
it's the same thing from Tuesday.
Very similar, but it's a slight change.
Okay.
You want to
I
me?
understand. You can
Let me
go back.
go. Okay. Let me know when you're ready, okay?
Okay.
This is example number 1. I mean number 2, sorry. You took a screenshot already?
I take it.
And this is example number 1.
Okay. I take it.
Okay, good. So we're back here. All right. Where are we now? Shaya Ferguson. What number you on?
3A.
3A. Okay, good. Do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Chris Raming, are you there? Where's Chris Raming?
Yes, ma'am.
What number you on, sir?
I remember 3.
Okay. Now you have this habit of not sending me your classwork. The only classwork I have from you literally is from January 12th. And that's definitely horrible. Please send in your classwork today, Mr. Chris.
I'm good.
All right.
Mr. Petit, example.
Say it again.
The first example. I get the I see. I
Okay.
didn't see the first one.
Okay. Okay, good. Daniel Hedburn, what number you on?
I'm on number 2.
Okay, good. Deja McKenzie, what number you on?
6.
Number 6. Okay, good. Diage Johnson, what number you on?
Mr. Petit,
Hey,
some of these answers supposed to have remainders.
no. No.
Miss
Definitely
Petit,
not.
you go back so I can take a screenshot, please, of the slide.
Sure. Michaela, why are you always late?
I ain't late. I come early. I come at 6:05.
So how come you didn't have the screenshot of the previous ones?
I write it down, but I don't see the other piece when do by the 2Y thing.
Okay. Okay, let me do it. This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take a screenshot, please. I don't like to go back because a lot of people still writing down their work. So make sure I take a screenshot one time. All right.
I get it.
Okay. Where is Divine? What number you on?
I'm on number 3.
Okay. Diaje Johnson, did I ask you already? Diaje Johnson, are you there?
Yes.
What number you on?
3.
3. Okay. Do you understand what to do?
Yes.
Okay. Send me your question so far. I won't see it. Just send me 1 and 2 what you have. Okay, Diaje. Okay, Diaje. Where is she? Diaje, can you hear me? Diaje Johnson. I can't hear her. It's one thing I don't like. I don't like when I'm calling them and they can't answer. Ariel.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you for sending me what you have. When you do y equals to 10 or whenever you have your answer, don't put the answer on the side. You see like how I have it, Ariel? Put it at the bottom, directly at the bottom. Don't put it at the side. Okay, Ariel?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Very good so far though. Um, all right. Divine, what number you on?
You just asked me this, but
Oh,
I'm still on number 3.
okay, sorry about that. Just trying to go
That's
out
fine.
Hello. Yes, I'm calling Deasia Johnson in class, trying to get attention. Yeah, please, because I really want to hear from her. I wanted to be paying full attention. So please, call her for me, please. All right, thank you. All right, Diamond, where's Diamond? Diamond, are you there? Okay, I can't hear from Diamond. Y'all can hear me? Because I feel like I'm talking to y'all, can't hear me.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. All right then. Jackson, what number you on?
I just go on number 3.
Okay.
Already finished on number 3.
Okay. No problem. Hello, good night. Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to get the Diamond. He's not responding in the class. So. Please, yes, ma'am. All right then. Thank you. All right, Frank Pong, what number you on?
On the last one.
No, number 6.
Yes, sir.
All right. Karanique Francis, what number you on?
I'm on number 3.
Number 3. Okay. Karanique, I haven't received any photos from you. Why is that?
I've been dealing with schoolwork and track.
Okay. But I still need to see your work. Please send them to my please send your work tonight for me, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right. Havane? Havane?
Yes.
Okay, what number you on?
4.
Okay, please send in your work when you're done, okay? All right?
Okay.
Okay. Antonia, Miss Bell. Miss Bell, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I said I saw your introduction, the revisited one. And I can't wait till Monday to show it to the class.
Why? It's not like probably something wrong again.
No, no,
Look at the
no,
laugh. I ain't that.
no, man, it's much better than how it was. I can tell you that.
For real?
Yes, it is. Yeah, for sure.
Oh, I feel big face. Okay. Then.
It's much better for real. I saw the changes and it sounds much more mature than the other one. So that's good.
Well, I did it with some time. I tell you, 12 years was a long time.
Yeah. But
Sometimes.
you still got it though, I must say. And so that's a blessing. You have a gift. You're doing core extended.
Oh, don't let it.
Core, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, core.
Mr. Petit, my mother just went off for my Grammy, so she's not ready yet with a phone.
That's Gaston?
That's all.
Okay. Sure, no problem. Wow. Wow. What's her name? Deja.
Yes, sir.
Very impressive handwriting, I must say.
Mr. Petit.
Really?
Mm-hmm. That's nice. Very neat. Very neat.
Really?
Yes.
All right.
Go ahead, Jensen.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
We always have to divide by 2, right?
It depends. So if you have like, for example, for the first 3, yeah, you divide by 2. For the last 3, no.
All right.
Yeah. So you gotta pay close attention to what's happening there.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, Shaya.
Maybe excuse for a minute, please.
What happened?
I have to go do some.
Okay, quickly. I don't want you to develop the habit of constantly coming out of class. Divine.
Yes.
Okay, I see you have the correct answers, but you don't finish the equation. What I mean is you have to finish it off with y equals 2. It's like how I finish it off. Y equals 2. So I need to see that. All right, Divine?
Okay.
Danunika in the house.
Yes, sir. I've arrived.
It's so good to have you in the class every time, man. It's good. I'm relieved every time I have you in now.
Thank you. I try.
Yeah, I see your effort. I see it, honestly. And it's gonna be rewarded, I must say. I hope you memorize your password.
Today is not Sunday.
You're right. In preparation for Sunday, I mean.
Oh, well, I mean, sure. I think so.
Okay, that's good. All right, but this is what we're dealing with. I don't know if you can answer them on your own or you want to take a screenshot of the previous slide so you get a feel of what we did. Danica?
Can I take a screenshot of the previous slide, please?
Sure. Coming right up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's the countdown for me, honestly.
And you want to see the first one, Danica?
Yes, sir.
And this is the first one.
Okay.
Deja,
Okay, I got it.
about Deja, your stuff all right. I want you to do something different.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
You didn't tell me about the
The
matrix
oh,
thing I did yesterday.
okay, yeah. Thank you for reminding me about that, Deja. All right, the addition and stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I told you that in order for them to wait, let me do me a favor. Try this because I want to speak with the rest of the children. So try this, and then I'll check your stuff after.
Okay.
So we have to multiply the following matrices. Okay, Yolanda, how are we looking?
I'm doing number 6 right now.
Number 6, very good. For Shantae, how are we looking? What number you on?
Number 5.
Okay, you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Serenity, what number you on? Serenity, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What number you on?
I'm on number 2 because I joined a little late.
Okay, no problem. Send me what you have for number 1. Let me check it before you move on to number 2.
Okay.
Rashad, what number you on?
Super T.
Go ahead.
I have to learn to my phone, turn back on.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Ramika. Thank you, Mariah. Thank you, Noel. Tonight is a good night. A lot of people came tonight. Jamisha, that's the lady in red. Jamisha, how you doing? Jamisha Cooper, are you there? Where's Jamisha Cooper? That's strange. Jennifer Allen, what am you on?
I'm on number 4B.
Okay, number 4B. Jensen, what number you on?
3B.
3B, okay. Carmela, what number you on?
I'm finished.
Okay, can you sign in your work for me, please? You have a bad habit of not sending in your work, Carmela. That's not good. Please send in your work every night. All right, Camilla? Carmela, I'm talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm saying you have a bad habit of not sending in your work. So please send in your work every night.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shalice, what number you on?
I just sent you the pictures.
Oh, you did. Okay. What happened to Diamond? Why you can't have from Diamond?
I don't know. She's probably doing homework.
Mr. Petit.
Okay. Okay.
Mr.
Go ahead.
Petit.
Go ahead, Jensen.
I can send you a picture and see if I'm on the right track, please.
Sure, I'll do that. Where's Shalice?
Yes, sir.
Very good job, okay?
Thank you.
Now number 6. It was a different situation, but the rest of them are good. Moesha, what number you on?
I'm on number 6.
Number 6, okay, good.
I send you the rest too.
Okay, Moisha. Okay, thank you. Michael Ferguson. What number you on?
I'm on 4.
Okay, good. Please send me your work once you're done. Jensen, that's correct.
All right. Thank you.
You got the one right with your name on it, eh?
Yes, sir.
The only thing I would need is I would need you to just fix your work, your orientation. So I need them to be one under the other, one under the other, one under the other with the equal signs right below. And I need where you have y equals to 15, I need it to be y equals to 15, centered just like this, with the equal signs there. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. But other than that, you're good. Thank you, Tamaya. Thank you, Miss Bell. Mikhail Hepburn. How you doing? What number you on?
Number 2, finish it up.
You're number 2 for.
It's finishing up.
I can barely hear you. You are number.
I'm finishing up number 2.
Okay, understood. All right. And then we have Kevin Inc. Kevin Inc. Yeah, Kevin Inc. Kevin Inc., where are you? Where's Kevin Inc.? Kevin Inc. rule. Thank you, Yolanda. Thank you, Tamaya. Jamisha Cooper, where are you? Jamisha Cooper. Okay, can't hear from Jamisha. Either Diamond. Danai. Oh, Jamisha. Jamisha, what number you on? Number 3. Okay. Angel, where's Angel? Are you there, Angel?
I'm out.
Okay, good. Deja, John. Oh, Angel, what number you on, by the way?
Number 2.
Okay, you know what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Danny Nika, what number you on?
I'm on the one that says Michael thinks of number X. I think that's 2. I'm not sure. Or maybe.
That's 4. LOL.
You think I know numbers there, Mr. Petit? Listen, I'm making up my own numbers.
All right. The questions are designed to do the first 3 first, then the last 3 second. So just thought I would say that, but you know.
Wait,
am
it
I?
gets harder like as it go, like
Yeah,
as you go through
yeah.
each question.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Oh,
Yeah. So you going to
Learn
number
something
4.
new every day.
I mean, for Lanaya's sake, let's not say harder. Let's just say
Mr. Petit, I sense a dark like cloud of shade. I don't even know where it came from.
Wow.
What just happened? Oh my god.
Go ahead, Lanaya's killing me. Yeah, there's no bonus question, Danica. Not at all. They keep on thinking there's a bonus question, but you know, why would I do that?
that's
Mr.
true.
Petit,
Why would you do that?
I
Yeah,
hear
why?
what you say, but number 6, I'll wait till you finish what you doing. I'll wait till you to tell you get it.
I'm a 6A. I'm a 6A
Yeah,
regular question. And that's the thing. That's what is gonna come on the exam, you know. The
yeah.
little spin off.
I go wait till you explain it for me.
That's the little spin off. And that's why I want to challenge you all to think beyond what I teach you. Because that's what the exam is, you know. Yes, I'm teaching you the principles and stuff, but there's an element where you have to just think and just, even if it's a guess, like just guess, you know, try, you know. And I know it's not straightforward all the time because trust me, oh my goodness, I know how tough math could be. Sometimes you're just lost, like you don't know where to start. Like, I understand that, but try, put
Some of the
something.
things, some of the
Get it.
things, because we need to know beyond the exams that
Well,
just
I
to
don't
put
know.
on that.
I don't know what how your teacher does it.
I mean, I mean, you believe the last time.
What you was,
Yeah,
this is what, BJC or BGCS? I mean, the
yeah,
BJC exam?
yes, sir.
Well, boy, I don't know how to explain that one. I don't know how to explain that one, but
Can I look at that paper?
but the only on that paper is addition. They had addition there. They had subtraction.
Yeah, they had
They had,
addition and
they
subtraction.
had
When I flip
multiplication.
over that, when I flip that paper over, you
Oh
just
boy.
can't sleep.
Oh my goodness. Hopefully that this time is not the case. We don't want that this time. We want when you flip over, you'll be like, I can answer all these, and that's the goal. All right.
Yes, sir.
See now, Mr. Petit, I gotta skip all the way to number 6 because you say he's getting harder and I don't see it yet.
Deja, how we looking?
It's okay. I just did this in class today, so I hope something stick from class.
Okay, perfect. You all learn how to multiply matrices?
Yes, sir. I finally was able to go class from class.
Awesome. Good. That is perfect.
I suppose there you do the element. Remember the symbols we used to it?
Yeah.
The day before that, we used to learn about that.
Okay. Okay. How did you do in class?
I do good.
Okay. Okay. All right, that's good. Just announcement for those who are coming to the Sunday classes. This is Sunday classes for the BJC at 2:00 and for the BGCSE at 6. Make sure bring your math book, like your class math book. I would want to see what you all are doing in class. So please bring your math book, please, which y'all do in class. If you write on folder sheet, bring it on folder sheet. Bring your folder sheet. Say it again. Go ahead. Y'all teachers still take y'all book in senior school?
No, I mean folder sheet.
Oh, the folder sheet. The folders. Oh. And you don't have like no book? Like where you
Don't give
put
us
your notes?
notes.
She don't give y'all
She don't
notes?
give us. No, that's what I don't get.
She don't that don't make no sense.
Gotta do it. I mean, sketch on.
Oh, she teach y'all how to do it, and y'all catch on, and then she just give y'all the exercise on it.
Okay.
I can barely hear you sitting here. I don't say it again, Jasmine.
I say we sketch on fast, so we don't need like no.
Y'all don't need no notes. Okay. So when it's time to study, what you gonna study off of?
I just remember what to do.
Okay, no problem.
Easy.
Okay then. Good. Excellent. Excellent. I like that. Yeah.
Excuse me, is the class gonna be online?
Oh no, that's in person. So but if you're not on you're not available to come to the face-to-face classes on Sunday, still send me your this goes for Taquana, Jamisha, Rashadane, Ariana, and all those who are on the Family Island. I need to see a picture of whatever you're doing in class, please. Whatever you're doing in class, this is for all of you all. Whatever you're doing in school, I want to see what you're doing, please. I really want to see what they're teaching you so I can know what I may need to help you all on. Again, take a picture of if you're coming to class on Sunday, you don't need to take a picture of it. But if you're not coming to class on Sunday, take a picture of whatever you're doing in school and send it to me, please.
Okay. So you want me to bring my school bag on there?
Say it again?
So you want me to bring my school bag?
Yeah,
Okay.
I need to see that. Thank you, Michael Ferguson. Thank you, Tamaya Kiam. Thank you, Caleb. Drax, what number you on?
I sending it right now.
Okay, good.
Just finished.
All right. Oh, y'all taking pretty long with these. Usually y'all just answer them quicker.
A lot of writing.
A lot of writing? A lot. What do you mean by a lot? I'm trying to figure like define, like, what do you mean by a lot?
Trying to write out the question. Yeah.
Like, you mean like a lot?
Writing.
You mean like A-L-L?
No,
A-L-L?
it's just taking me a long time to write out the question.
That's why only on the phone, man.
I
don't blame.
gotta usually answer all of these, but gotta write out the full question.
That them questions take like 2 seconds to write. Danunika.
You sure?
Where's Danunika?
Yes, sir.
Show off.
What do you mean? So I got it? Did
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, you did.
Oh,
You
okay.
did. You did.
See, I
did.
know. I was like, it was like, I was like, this looked too easy.
Okay.
So I wasn't sure.
All right, good. That means I have something for you then. Perfect. Did you finish the inverses? You finished the inverses?
Them inverses? No, I did not.
Do that for me and send it to this.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, this one, our principal is keeping up. What? Aiden, that's true?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how about this semester? Anything y'all did this semester?
Yeah, but we ain't right down that.
Mostly only revision.
What y'all did this semester? I'm talking about. What do you mean y'all didn't write down nothing?
We only doing stuff in textbook now.
Okay, in textbooks. Okay, good. Which textbook?
I have to find the names. I don't know the name on top of my head.
Okay, so you have that textbook?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bring that. And have they assigned you any work yet?
Only one.
Okay, what was it on?
This was on stuff with percentages and only percentages, I think.
Okay, percentages. Let me, did he mark it?
Not yet.
Okay, but you ought to do it for like homework or something like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
For the inverse, I'm looking at the example like you to put in my book that one Sunday, and I can't remember why you did the a minus 1 equals 1 over 22. I don't remember what that 1 over 22 means.
Remember that the 22 was the determinant of your matrix. Because remember, the formula says 1 over the determinant times the adjoint. So 1 over the determinant of your matrix was AD minus BC, right? So 1 over that, and that answer was 22, multiplied by, switch over those two and then negate the other two terms. That's how we did it. Understand that?
Oh, AD minus CV. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, thank you.
no problem.
See, I'm not sure if they're ready.
Deja, that's how we teach y'all to multiply them stuff?
Yes, sir. Something about, you tell us something about the order. We have to find the order of it first, like
Yeah,
two
yeah.
rows two
Mhm,
and two column, and if they have, and if the first matrix have the same amount of rows as the same amount of, or the first matrix have the same amount of columns as the second matrix have the same amount of rows, then you could multiply. But if they
Yes,
don't have that, you can't.
very good. So basically, once the back numbers are the same.
Mm.
You see that, right?
I see the back number for the first matrix is 2.
I
And the
mean,
second matrix,
I
the
mean the
first
back.
number is,
I mean the back of the first and the front of the back of the second.
okay.
You can
Yeah.
agree with that?
So you're staying in grass.
Yeah, good. He's right. I'm surprised he allow y'all to do it like that. I thought you would have done the working inside of the matrix, but hey, you know, whatever makes you sleep well at night, that's fine. Let me see if
Pardon?
no, I mean it's just in terms of your working, the way you lay it out. I wouldn't do it like that, but I mean it still gets the right answer, so that's fine. Usually you put the working inside the matrix, but that's okay. I'm not gonna change that because that's how I teach all it. You ready for the answers?
You mean for this?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Okay, good. All right, let me see if I still have it. It should be right there somewhere. All right. Okay. All right. So let me know how you did. I'm gonna put the answers and you mark it. Okay. Okay, Deja.
yes, sir.
All right, let me know how you did. Send me the corrected work after you done. All right, I think we're ready to answer these questions. So let's begin. Thank you, Michaela Moxie. Thank you, Rashad. And
Mr. Petit, you're gonna
I'm going to I'm doing them now.
Okay, can you just let me write down number 5 and number 6, please?
Take a screenshot of it so you can always have it.
Oh yeah, technology. My God.
Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna wait till Drexel is finished. Oh, Drexel, you already sent yours. Okay, good. Perfect.
Wait, salam.
Okay, good. Drexel,
Yes.
let me see something. Let me see something. Let me see something I see right now. I'm gonna see right now. Oh, Danny Nika. Where's Danny Nika? Danny Nika. Where is she? Danny Nika Cargo?
Yes, sir, Miss Petit.
Number 6. Check over number 6.
What do you mean check over?
Yeah, check over number 6. Miss Confidence, check over number 6.
Hold on, that must means a minor calculation. Must mean
mi-
it gotta
Oh,
be minor. It gotta
Mine,
be
yeah.
minor.
All right, then. We'll see. Mr. Draxwell,
Yes, sir.
you understand how to do inverse and determinant, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do this one for me. I want you to multiply these. You know what? No, we ain't do addition and subtraction yet, so I can't do it. Let's add and subtract. Let me send that to you. The addition and subtraction one. And let me know how that goes. All right. It's all yours. All right. So who's gonna help me with number 1? Don't be shy.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
question, right?
Go ahead.
The screenshot you just took, can you send it to my mom's phone? Because I don't know the screenshot on this phone. And I'm not finished yet.
Okay, sure, no problem. Let me do that. This is what's his name? McHale? No, Crystal. Okay, for those of you who are still working,
Thank you.
for those of you who are still working, and I haven't received your work yet, please send your work before class is over for math. Make sure to do that for me, please. So that's people like Serenity, who I haven't received anything from. Diage Johnson. Where's Diage Johnson? Diage Johnson. Yes, I haven't received any work from you. Diage Johnson. Diage. Excuse me. I haven't received any work from you, Diage. And then we have Jennifer. I haven't received any work from Jennifer. Jennifer Allen.
Yes, sir.
I haven't received any work from you. And Angel. I haven't received any work from you, Angel.
Well, you can't receive it because my mom is not home yet, and I don't have my phone because it's dead.
Okay, can you charge your phone?
No, sir, because I don't have the charger.
Okay. But when your mommy come home, can you send your work?
Okay.
Yeah, definitely do that. Please don't forget. Chris Raming. Shea Ferguson. Where's your work?
I'm sending mine right now.
Okay, thank you. Chris Raming.
Yes, sir.
Send me what you have, please. Again, send me what you have.
I love to do it all over.
Say it again.
I love to do it all over.
Why?
My band there.
Your what?
I said my fan burst.
Oh, your pen burst. So another excuse. I don't know when you to stop giving excuses and start giving work. It don't make no sense. I don't understand if you're not gonna do the work, Chris. I don't understand why you're in the class if you ain't gonna do the work. It don't make sense at all. At all. Noel, did you send in your work?
Yes, sir.
You said yes? Okay, Carmela.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Gustav. Carmela. Where's Carmela? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I haven't seen your work yet.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Carmela,
Mr. Petit,
one
did you
moment.
get mine?
Yes, I did receive yours. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Carmela, I haven't received your work as yet.
Well,
What's the excuse? What's the excuse? Go ahead.
LOL, what's the excuse? Crazy. Celebrate.
Go ahead, Carmela. Because clearly you're not taking the class seriously.
It's what happened was, it's not that I already finished the work, it's just that I still have to write out the questions.
Well, you ain't finished.
No, I finished
No,
the actual.
no, you're not finished. You're not finished. Hello? Hey. Is your mommy home? Can I speak to her, please? Is your mother home?
She's busy right now.
All right, thank you. Hello, good night. Yes, mom. I'm good. I have a serious problem with Camilla. Yeah, she's not sending in her work. And that's very irritating. Because she had sufficient time to do it and to send it. I said Carmela is not sending in her work. And that's very irritating. No, no, no. And she had sufficient time to do it. And that's very irritating because this is not the first time. No, it's a couple of times. She don't send photos of her work. Please. Okay. Okay. All right. Please. And let her do it consistently, not just on one night, but let her consistently send her work. So she has the potential to do it. Thank you.
I appreciate that. Let me know. I'll make sure next time.
All right, then. Thank you much. All right. I'm still waiting for the rest of the work from you all. If you know that you haven't sent in your work, please send it, please. Please send them. Send whatever you have at this point. Send whatever you have. Please don't let me have to run you down for the work.
Mr. Petit, I just finished. I just sent it to you.
All right, thank you. All right, we only have enough time to answer them, so let's go right ahead. Anyone want to help me with number 1? Ooh, Jasmine says me. All right, let's go.
Mr. Petit, sorry to interrupt. Just
Go
tell
ahead,
me
ma'am.
whichever you want me to do.
Number 6.
Whoa, guys, calm down.
Number 6. Hey, you told me. Hey, listen, whatever you want me to do. All right, number 3. I want you to do number 3.
See,
Okay.
I knew you could have been. I knew you could be reasonable. Oh my goodness.
All right. Go ahead, Jasmine. Caleb thinks of a number. Hello?
Okay. Yeah.
Go ahead.
I have a 3y minus 7 equals
3y minus what?
minus 7 equals 13. I know that right.
Equals 13? Close. Remember it says diamond thinks of a number y, then adds 13. So it's going to be y plus. That's the difference, right? Yeah, y plus 13. Okay. And B, Jennifer, help me with B. How do we solve it?
For question B,
Yes.
so you have 3y minus y equals 13 plus 7.
Oh, okay. So you're telling me to send the y over
Yes, sir.
and -7 over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do we have on the left-hand side?
3y minus y.
3y minus y. It's going to be equal to
13 plus 7.
13 plus 7 because it was a negative sign. When you send it over, it becomes a plus. 13 plus 7. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Good. And okay, thank you much. Angel, what is 3y minus y?
2y.
2y, very good. And Angelina, where's Angelina? Angelina, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. What is 13 plus 7?
20.
20, very good. Angelina, did you send me your work?
Yes, I sent it.
Do I have your name? Okay, good. I see it. Thank you. All right, next up, Ariel, what do we do at this point? Ariel?
Okay, so after that, you divide it.
Divide by what?
You divide it by 2.
Very good. We divide by 2. Thank you. Aiden, what is 2 divided by 2? Do they cancel out?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And what is 20 divided by 2?
11.
11. Very good. No, not 11. My goodness. 20 divided by 2. 10. 10. Thank you. I almost got it. Oh, would have been so embarrassing. Okay, anyone got y equals to 10?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Excuse me. Duplicate slide. No, yeah, let's duplicate. Let's move on to this one. So the first one is y is equal to 10. Number 2, who's gonna help me with number 2?
I can do it.
Right, Jensen.
No, I can do number 3 because that one of my name in it.
I already commissioned that what's the name? The Nahia.
I can do number 4.
Oh my goodness. And your name is on number 2?
Yeah, but I already show you that. I will do something else.
All right then, sure enough.
I can do number 4.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead, Ariana. Tell me what A.
Okay, so first you have to write 3y take away 8 equals y plus 22.
Very good. Thank you very much. Where's your Chardonnay? Is Chardonnay here?
So,
How come I ain't hearing you tonight? Quiet.
I don't know.
You don't know? I don't like you. You sicky.
No, sir.
Okay. All right. So you're saying 3y. What else?
3y minus 8 equals y
Equals
plus 22.
y plus 22. Very good. Thank you much. Caleb, what do we do at this point? Caleb. All right. What do we do at this point?
subtract y from 3, y, and
So,
then
uh-huh,
you add e to 22.
excellent. Caleb, did I receive your work, Caleb?
So I send it to you.
You say yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we have 3y minus, well, minus y. And then we have 22 plus 8. Shia, Ferguson. What is 22 plus 8?
22 plus 8 is 30.
30, very good. And what is 3y minus 2y? Sorry, 3y minus y.
Is 2y.
Very good. Did I receive your work, Shia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where's Antoine?
I'm right, yo.
Good. How you doing, sir?
I have a lot of work, but otherwise doing good.
Okay, that's excellent. Question. Did I receive any of your work today?
No, sir, but I'll try my best to send it in.
Okay. Do you know what to do?
Yes, I have a good idea what to do.
Okay.
I did this before in school, by the way.
Okay, very good. What do we do at this point?
I had this on my exams, but I don't remember doing this after school.
Okay. What do we do at this point? Do we divide both sides by what?
You divide both sides by
Can we divide both sides by 2?
Oh, wait.
Yeah?
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
One moment. Go ahead, Antoine. What happens next?
2 over 2 becomes 1 over 1, and 30 over 2 becomes
30 divided by what is half of 30?
half of 30 is 15.
15, very good. Excellent. Did anyone else get 15 for the second one?
Me.
Me?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Me.
good, good, very good.
I did.
Thank you, Lanaya. Only those 4? Anyone else? Go ahead.
Me, I got it too.
Okay.
Me.
All right, thank you. Very good. Okay. Okay. Mr. Drexwell.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, go ahead.
May I be excused, please?
This is who? Who's speaking? Rashadane?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure, you can. Drexwell, I see your work. Look like someone been eavesdropping on my conversations with Deja. Am I right?
No, you ain't right. I can't recall.
For real?
I just do that off the top of my head.
Okay. 10. So you doing corresponding entries. Okay. You
Excuse me,
awesome.
Mr. Petit. I can help you with this one.
Who is speaking? I like an energetic person.
Ariel.
Ariel. Lanaya, you can help me with D. She can help me with A, okay?
Not gonna let us sound like the mermaid from the movie.
Okay, Lanaya?
Okay.
Okay, good. Draxville, excellent. I surprised you got it. I told you you have a extended in your blood. The first one is correct because 2 plus 8 is 10. 10, yes. 11. 9, yes. Yours are right. Let me send you Deja one so you could compare your answers, but they right. They look right to me. But let me just
Okay.
send you hers. Yes, Deja, yes. Yours are right.
You sent me the answer, Kino.
I know I did.
Okay, so you don't gotta send my to do.
No, that was from yesterday.
Let's see. I don't even know if they're right.
They are. If they're not, then he'll be the one to judge. See if there are any differences with yours and hers. All right. All right. Go ahead, Ariel.
Okay, so A would be 3y subtracted by 9 equals y plus 23.
Equals y plus 23. Very good. Ariel, you in New Providence or Farm Island?
New Providence.
Okay. I want you to come to our classes on Sunday. Okay? At 2:00.
Okay.
Yeah. Make sure your parents that you come. You sound like a very energetic person. We need some of that on Sundays. Especially since Lanai is not gonna be there.
I know, right?
Yeah, man, that's so sad. All right. Thank you, Ariel. Very good. Okay, Lanai, take it away. We good?
We good. We good.
Okay. Good. See, Deja? I told you.
That means it right?
Yeah, they right. They right. We got a second eye. All right, Mr. Drexwell, time for the multiplication. Hope we got the left.
Wait, so I can mark them right.
Yeah, you good. Drexwell. Okay, go ahead, Lanai, help me.
Okay, so well, you already read it.
Okay, so what we gonna do at this point?
Sorry. So first you write 3y again, and then you bring y over the equal sign, and
Yes.
you change it from positive to negative, and then
Uh-huh.
you take the 9 over the equal sign, you change that from negative to positive.
Very good. It's gonna be equal to. So we have 3y.
3y plus 9. I mean minus 9.
Can we say
minus y.
Minus y. Very good.
Minus
then,
y.
Uh-huh.
And then 23 plus 9.
Excellent. 23 plus 9.
And then the equal sign again.
Uh-huh.
23 plus 9 is 32.
Very good.
And 3y minus y is 2y.
Excellent.
And then you divide both of them by 2.
Divide both sides by 2.
You cancel out the 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cancel out. And then you left with y equals 16.
Very good. Excellent. Very good, Lanai. I'm very proud of you. Keep it up, all right? I really mean that. Keep it up. All right. Did anyone else get 16?
I did.
That's all.
Okay, good.
What number that is again?
Number 3.
No, let me see.
Okay, moving right along. Okay.
Yeah, I got 16.
Okay, good. Jensen, you wanted to do number 4.
That's all.
Go right ahead. Daniel Nika.
All right. So
Where's Daniel Nika?
I'm here.
You're still struggling with them inverses? And
Is that if I'm still struggling with the inverses?
yeah.
You see my work, Mr. Petit? I sent to you.
You ready, Senate? So tell me.
Yes, sir.
You all wise child.
Oh, why you say it like that? I don't like this. I don't like how you say it.
Otherwise, child, what is 1 over 0? What is 1 over 0? How? What is that?
Oh, what do you mean by that? Like, do you mean like, is it a like improper fraction? Do you mean like, is 1 over 0 equal to, like, what is it equal to? Or like, I don't know.
Okay. Do me a favor, send me your previous work on determinants. Let me see that. I want to see that first.
Okay.
I want to see that. I want to see those matrices.
The one we do like on Sunday?
Yeah, send me that.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, Jensen. Tell me.
All right. So number 4.
Go ahead.
So it's 4x.
4x. Why use x and not y?
Because you have x.
Very good. It's x right there. Good. 4x.
So it's 4x. Subtract 4.
Subtract 4. Okay.
Equals x plus 20.
Equals x plus 20. Very good, Jensen. You sound like a mathematician. X plus 20.
And then for part B,
For part B,
it's 4x minus x equals 4 plus 20.
okay. So you're telling me that
No,
I know
I see.
I know. You write the next line, that's fine. So we're gonna send over.
Yeah.
And what else we gonna send over? That's right. It's gonna be equal to
20.
What is
4?
4? What we do?
20. You gotta add the 4 to the 20.
Okay, good. This is minus x, right?
Yes, sir.
And it's gonna be what?
4 plus 20.
4 plus 20?
Or 20 plus 4.
20 plus 4. Okay, what is 20 plus 4?
24.
24. And what is 4x minus x?
You say 4x minus x?
Yeah.
Hold on. What you mean, no?
4x minus x. So 4x minus 1x.
Hold on. You lost me, I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, 4x minus 1x is what?
4x.
No, sir.
4x minus 1x is 4.
Okay.
I could help him.
Hold on.
Can he get help?
You lost
Can
me.
he get help?
You lost me.
I could help him, please.
Yeah, go ahead, help him.
It's
4x take away x equals 3x.
Yes, it's 3x. Because we have 4x. 1,
Hold on.
2, 3, 4 minus x. Boom, you're left with 3. 4x minus this x is 1. We look at it as 1x.
so Mr. Petit, why do you say it as 1x if it's only 1?
Say it again.
You lost me.
Why do you say 4x minus 1x?
Yeah, because that's what it
instead of
is.
just 1.
You won't do that last time though.
Because it's not 1, it's 1x. So it's literally so the coefficient in front of it is 1, not that it's 1. You know, the coefficient in front of it is 1. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. So 4x minus x is going to be
it's 3x.
3x.
Yeah.
Just like how we subtract 3y minus y give us 2y. You know what I'm saying? 3x. And then what do we do at this point?
Divide it.
Divide both sides by
3.
3. Very good. These two cancel. X equals to 24 divided by 3. What is 24 divided by 3?
8.
8. 8. Did anyone else get 8?
I did.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All right, let's go.
Excuse
I
me, Mr. T.
trying to do
Go
number
ahead.
6 for the longest though. That killing me.
I have
Go ahead, Dan.
I have a lot of homework today. Like
Uh-huh.
I have a lot of homework today. So I'll have to log off early
Okay,
because
sure.
studying so much might take me 30 minutes plus. I want to
Okay.
get to sleep a little bit more earlier.
Okay, sure, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Did you send in the work though?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. Daniel Hepburn.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, you got it. Very good. All right, moving right along. Okay. Let's just do it. Oopsies. I think I deleted. Good. I did delete number 5 and 6. All right. Right now we done do number 5. I am going to use for number 5 and 6 is going to be an iteration of what we already did. I'm going to use since we have to leave so early. I mean, since our time is already gone, I'm going to use the issues work to.
Can I do number 5?
We have to go, so I'm not going to prolong it. I'm just going to go over let y'all see the answers. Number 5. So you're supposed to have 9p minus 8 equals p plus 64. Thank you, Deja.
Repeat.
Hi, thank you. You don't need to know this is your work. This is just a student's work. Who got it right? P plus 9p minus 8 equals p plus 64. That's what's supposed to be. And then B, obviously we send over the 8. The negative 8, it becomes positive 8. And we send over the p, it becomes negative p. And then 9p minus p is 8p. We divide both sides by 8, so p equals 9. Did anyone get that? P equals 9.
I did.
Good? Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Very good.
I get it.
Okay. All right, and then the final one, Danunika, pay attention to the final one. So that's the P21. Where's Danunika? Is she here? Danunika
I'm
Carter?
here.
Okay, pay
Yes.
attention to the final one, please.
I'm paying attention.
Okay, good.
See, where that extra Y come from?
All right, because it says clearly, Mr. Smith, let me put this on the screen so y'all could see. Let me put it on the screen. So it says clearly that. That's why you have to read carefully. So it says, right, that Mr. Smith is Y years old. How old is Mr. Smith? Mr. Smith?
Y.
Y years old. Very good. His son, George, is 21 years younger. Okay. So Mr. Smith is Y, So this y is for Mr. Smith. And this y minus 21 is for his son. Okay, so this is for Mr. Smith, y, and Mr. Smith's son, y minus 21. Okay, then they say the sum of their ages. So this is Mr. Smith's age, y. This is Mr. Smith's son's age, y minus 21. And the sum, addition, the sum of their ages is 59. So this is the correct equation for it. Make sense?
It makes sense.
Okay. Where's Miss Bell?
It don't make sense.
No? Okay. How old is Mr. Smith?
59. 59.
No. What the question say? Mr. Smith is how old?
Why?
Y. Very good. So Mr. Smith is Y years old. How old is his son?
21. 21 years.
How? No, his son is not 21. They never said that.
Is he 21 years younger?
Okay, good. He is 21 years younger. Very good. So that means that you have to take whatever Mr. Smith age is and subtract it by 21. So this side, all of this, represents his son's age.
Okay.
So y is the daddy age, and y minus 21 is the son's age. You agree?
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Good. And that's going to be equal to 59. Because the sum of their ages, when you add them together, the sum is 59. Okay? You agree?
Okay.
Okay, good. So now we have the equation y plus y minus 21 goes to 59. So all you need to do is send the 21 over the equal sign. So it was negative 21, it becomes positive 21. Then you have y plus y. So let me come out with this. Then you have, sorry. Then you have, after that, then after that, sorry. Then after that, we do, once we send over the 21, it's going to be 59 plus 21, right? And that's going to be 80. And y plus y is 2y. Okay. Divide both sides. This is B.
Oh, this part is B, yeah.
Yeah, this is B. So
right.
in A, we just write down the equation. Y plus y minus 21 equals 59. And then in B, we solve it because we send over the 21, right? And then it becomes 59 minus 21. Sorry, it was negative 21. So it's going to be positive 21. So 59 plus 21 is 80. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2, so y is equal to 40. So that means that Mr. Smith is 40 years old. His son is 21 years younger. So 40 minus 21 is going to be 19. So the correct answer there is 19 years old. His son is 19 years old. Make sense?
I mean, it makes sense. I just have to catch it.
Okay. Any other questions from anyone about this one? No? Okay. So with that being said, that brings to the end of my class. It's been a longer one. That's 2 hours and 14 minutes. For those who have, please remember to come to Sunday classes at 2 o'clock for Bgcse and at 6 o'clock for Bgcse. Make sure bring your math text, math
Give me
book.
Mr. Bgcse. Sorry.
Yeah.
You could let me see that same last thing again, please. I finished writing that down. The last whoever answered that word.
Okay. Deja. Oh, this will work. Make sure.
I must need to go to school with Deja's go.
I know, right? Deja is a gifted student. Go ahead, Jensen.
The questions you send me, I haven't trouble answering that.
The question.
Yeah, I try to figure out how to do it, but like the process look a little more. It looks simple and complicated at the same time. I can't.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right, let me send you an example. So to multiply a 2 by 2 matrix with a 2 by 1 matrix is a bit not difficult, but you know, it involves some work. So let me send you the thing. This is track. So
Okay, I got it, Mr. Petit.
all right, good. If you are taking social studies BJC or religious studies BJC, please stay back. If you are not, then you can leave at this time. Okay.
Good night.
Good night. Have a good one.
You too.
Yes. All right. For those of us who are taking social studies BJC, this week have to stay back.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
May I be excused for a while?
Oh my goodness, what is this? One moment. Stop sharing. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Who's speaking?
Serenity.
Okay, go ahead, Serenity. Go ahead. You saying
Oh,
something?
no, I was saying if I could be excused for a while, please.
Yeah, sure, no problem. I'm not sharing currently, right?
Also.
Okay, good.
Hey, Mr. Petit, you could just
Hey.
send me the working on how to do it, and I'll figure it out. But I have to go, so like.
Can you check your phone? Check your phone.
You send it?
Yeah, check your phone. Stay on the call. So if you have any questions, you could ask me.
No, I say it. I have to I have to go. That's why I just wanted to see how to do
Okay.
it. And I'd pick it up. I'd pick up how to do it.
That's what I'm saying. Check your phone. You think you could take it from there?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
If
Okay,
you
I
have
see
any
it. I
questions,
see it.
if you have any questions, message me, text me, whatever. It doesn't matter the time.
Okay, then,
Right.
no problem. Thanks.
No problem.
Right,
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night, sir. All right, so back to social studies. The nice stuff. I like social studies. Social studies is a very nice subject. And I like RK. Those are easy A's. You know, kind of.
Not really.
Who say not really? Jennifer? Jennifer?
Yes, sir.
Which one is difficult? Which one is difficult for you? Or
Pardon?
both? Which one of them is difficult for you? Social studies or religion or both?
I'll say religious.
Religious. Let me guess. Because of the JPR?
Yeah.
Yeah, figured. JPRs, why? JPRs, you have to know your Bible. There's no run away from that. If you don't know your Bible and if you don't know how to explain yourself well, JPRs will be a nightmare. But JPRs is one of my favorite parts of RK because you get to explain and you get easy points, in my opinion.
Mr. Petit?
But yeah, I used to love JPRs because JPRs, like, even if you don't know the story well, you could always give your opinion. It's like, yeah, it works. I don't
Mr.
know what's
Petit?
up. Go ahead, Lanaya.
I'm leaving for the night.
What? What? All right. Have a good weekend, Lanaya.
You too.
And
You have a question?
I'll see you, guess, on Monday.
Bye.
Yeah, have a good one. See you later, not bye. Sound like funeral. See you later. All right. Go ahead. Someone's asking a question. Someone's asking a question. No? Okay. All right.
Mr.
So let's
Petit, I
quick.
have a question.
Oh, Mikhail, go ahead.
I don't have my book right. Y'all.
Okay. Okay, I don't hear you no more. All right, so that's quickly.
Mr. Fatigue, sorry to cut you off again. My mic was mute because there's noise in the background, right? I was wondering if you can send my mom the recording so I could get all the notes and everything down.
Sure, no problem. Sure, I send it
Yes, sir.
tomorrow. Okay, so let's go. We did this before. This is last week's stuff, so I want to hear you answer. I'm just going to say it and you just answer freely. So number one, what's the correct answer here? One of Earth's large land masses. B, yes, Africa. Number two, a large arm of ocean partly surrounded by sea is called a.
I think Gulf.
Golf.
A gulf, a gulf. Yes, we did this, a gulf. So number one is B, Africa, that's a continent. Number two is Gulf. Number three, the object upon which the Earth rotates is its A axis. Very good. An imaginary line of latitude halfway between the North and South Pole is B, the equator. Very good. The four main points on a compass are called the
Cardinal direction.
cardinal direction. Very good. Cardinal directions. Number six, the part of the map that explains the symbols is called the
legend.
Legend. Number seven, the horizontal and vertical lines on a map form a
Grid.
Grid. Number eight, this type of forest has evergreen trees the whole year round. That's what? Coniferous. Very good. Coniferous, that's evergreen. That's your what do you call it now? Your what do you call them stuff, man? Your Christmas trees? Yeah, coniferous stuff. An area of very dry land is a
desert.
Desert, very good. Which line of latitude? Did we do this? Number 10.
Tropic Cancer.
Did we do number 10? Did we do this? I don't know.
I think
No.
we stopped number 8.
Yeah, we stopped at number 8. Yeah, I don't think we did. I don't think we did. Yolanda, what number we stopped at?
1 second.
Yeah, help me with that.
We stopped at number 12.
We stopped at number 12. Okay. All right. Which line of latitude runs through the Bahamas?
Tropic of Cancer.
Tropic of Cancer, very good. Number 11. Which of the following foods will a subsistence farmer not use? Not use.
Wait, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. We actually stopped at number 8.
Number 8. We stop at number 8. Okay, thank you. All right, figured this felt bad. All right, let's go. Let's do number 9 properly. So let's head up. Head up. I do not know. Oh, that's the problem. Okay, finally. All right, let's do it. Let's head up properly. Today is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Thursday. The what? The 19th of January, 2023. The subject, please write this down. Subject is social studies. And the topic, well, not the topic, but we're looking at past paper questions. In fact, we did head up properly. So let me head up properly. We have the right past paper 2000 and what year this is? 2018, eh? I think it's 2018. This is 2018, yes. 2018 paper. Past paper 2018. We are on number 9. So number 9, the question states, of area of very dry land is called a desert. So we have to write that down. So C, 9C, a desert, write this down please, is a very dry area of land. Please write this down for me, please, and I would like to see these notes after class today. 9C, a desert is a very dry area of land. Number 10, which line of latitude runs through the Bahamas? The correct answer is C, the Tropic of Cancer. Is the line of latitude that runs through the Bahamas. Which island does it run through? Tropic of Cancer, which island?
Long Island and Exuma.
Say it again.
Long Island and Exuma.
Very good. All right, number 11. Which of the following tools would a subsistence farmer not use? Not use.
D.
D, a tractor. All right, good. Angelina, why wouldn't a subsistence farmer use a tractor?
It could be too harsh for the soil.
It could be too harsh for the soil. Okay. No, that's not exactly correct.
A subsistence farmer doesn't use a tractor because they mainly use hand tools.
Very good. A subsistence farmer would not use a tractor because they typically use simple tools. Okay. So some subsistence farmer use simple tools. And what type of farmer would use modern tools?
A commercial.
A commercial
farmer.
farmer, very good. All right. All right. Number 12. Okay. Where's Diamond? Diamond, are you there? Okay, I can't hear from Diamond. Garanique Francis, are you there?
C.
Garanique Francis?
Yeah.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you read number 12 for me, please?
I can see
You can't see? Log out and come back in so you can see properly.
10.
Vashante roll. Can you read number 12 for me, please? Vashante.
Yeah.
Can you read number 12 for me? Number 12.
What type of fishing is done for pleasure?
Read the options for me, please.
Commercial fishing, long line fishing, sport fishing, scuba
Subsistence fishing.
fishing.
Very good. All right, to my account. Which answer is for this? A, B, or C? Or D?
B.
B? Okay. Thank you for that answer. Miguel, where's Miguel? Miguel Smith.
Yes, sir.
What's your answer to this one?
It would be commercial. No. It would be.
Which one? Which type of fishing is done for pleasure?
C.
C. Does anyone agree with him with C?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, C is correct. Sports fishing is done for pleasure. Commercial farming is done. Commercial fishing is done for what?
Commercial fishing is done for like
Done to be sold.
yeah,
For it
to
to be
sell.
sold. So to
Yeah.
make what? To make what?
Money.
Money.
To make money for profit. Subsistence farming is done for what?
For the person who farmed, for the person who catch it to eat it.
Very good. To supply the needs of the family of the subsistence fisherman. Okay. So the correct answer is C. Sports fishing is done for pleasure. Number 13. All right. Harvani, I'm with number 13.
Do you want me to the answer or
No, read the question for me.
which of the following industries is associated with poaching in the Bahamas?
Read the options, please.
A, banking, B, farming, C, fishing, D, tourism.
Very good. What do you think is the correct answer, Harvani?
C.
C, fishing. Okay.
Yeah.
Does anyone agree with that? That it's C?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
I
sir.
agree.
Yes. Very good. Fishing. Poaching is associated with fishing is an industry associated with fishing. Fishing is an industry in the Bahamas associated with poaching. Very good. What the correct answer is? That's what that was C. C again. Okay. When in doubt, choose C or D. Because as you can see, only C's and D's are here so far. So I guess that's something to follow. All right. Associated with poaching in the Bahamas. So fishing is an industry associated with fishing, with poaching in the Bahamas. What do we mean by poaching anyway? What is meant by poaching?
Fishing
Like
illegal.
going into a different what the
I want to be the answer, yeah.
Fishing illegally.
When someone catches the fishes when they aren't fully grown or still young and still
No, no, that's not poaching.
It's like going into another like nation's or country's territory and fishing there.
Yes, yes. So poaching is, give me one moment. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we hear
Yes,
you.
I can hear you, Mr. P.
Okay. Okay. All right. So poaching is when you go into someone else's region where you're not supposed to fish and you fish there. Okay. That's what poaching is. Okay. When you go into another person's region and there's a violation where there's a, each region has their borders. So we have the Bahamian borders and a area of a body and bodies of water associated with the Bahamian territory that the Defense Force must protect and defend. And so when people come and cross that border, fishing in our waters, that's poaching. Okay. So that's what poaching is. All right, number 14. Number 14, I want Antoine. Can you read this for me, please? Where's Antoine? Antoine Mannings, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Can you read number 14 for me, please?
Which of the following is the most important industry in the Bahamas? A, banking, B, farming, C, fishing, D, tourism.
Very good. So, Jennifer, what do you think the correct answer is? A, B, C, or D as the most important industry in the Bahamas?
I would go with B.
B as in boy?
Yes, sir.
So you think farming is the most important industry in the Bahamas?
Mr. P, can I say something?
Hey, Jennifer, just a guess. That's just a guess that you put a note down.
Not really.
You believe it's farming.
Partying?
You believe it's farming.
Kinda.
Okay, kinda. All right. Jasmine, what do you think it is?
I think it's D.
You think it's tourism? Okay. Mikhail, you was gonna say something?
I was about to say it's D as well.
D is tourism. Ariel, what do you think it is? The most important industry in the Bahamas.
I think it's D.
I think it's D, tourism. Yes, the correct answer is definitely D, tourism. Tourism is the most important industry in the Bahamas because we rely heavily or the most on tourism for our, financial stability. Okay, so the correct answer here is definitely going to be tourism. So the correct answer is number 14 is D. Tourism is the most important industry in the Bahamas. All right. And number 15, I want Angelina. Can you read that for me? Number 15.
Okay. So official hurricane season lasts from blank. A, April 1st to July 31st. B, August 7th to March 31st. C, June 1st to November 30th. D, October 12th to December 31.
Good. All right. Go ahead. For Shantae, what do you think is the official hurricane season?
It's C.
You say C? What is C?
C.
Say it again.
June. C.
What is that?
June 1st to November 30th.
Very good. June 1st to November 30th. Okay. Anyone else agree with that?
It's C. I do.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it's C.
Okay, so the correct answer is number 15. It's gonna be 15. 15 is C. The official hurricane season lasts from June 1st to November 30th. All right. All right. All right, so please send in these notes for me, please. That's all of you. I want you to send in these notes for me. From 9 to 15. Let me see what you've written. That is Angelina, Antoine, Aiden, Chris Raming, Diamond, Dylan, Veronique, Havani, Jasmine, Jennifer, Carmela, Miguel, Mikhail, Rashadani, Rashilo, Serenity, Tamaya, Vashanti, and Yolanda. Please send in the notes.
Mr. Petit, like I said, my mommy ain't here yet. She going for my Grammy.
Okay. You can send it afterwards, but the rest of you, please send them now.
I can't send it now.
Okay, I understand your situation, Miguel. With the rest of you,
I'm
please
still
send your work.
waiting on my mom to come. She comes around 8:45 or like around 9, somewhere around there.
Okay.
Cause yeah,
Okay.
she also do classes.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. What does she teach?
Oh no, she doing law. She's studying law.
Oh, no. So she's okay. 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 Thank you, Lulanda. Thank you, Michaela Moxie. I mean, Angelina. Thank you, Diamond. Diamond, are you there? Where's Diamond?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Let's transition over to Diamond. Where's that? Send in your math work too, please. For tonight. Okay, Daniel. Diamond. Send in your math work as well.
Okay.
All right. Next up, we have RK. Let's quickly do this. It is Thursday. The what? The 19th of January. The subject is religious studies. And the topic is I want us to write how to write JPR. Okay, so the question is, what is a JPR question? A JPR question is a question where you, write this down, please, where you are given a statement and you must respond by giving your personal opinion.
I mean, Mr. Petit, I could be excused to go check on my brother, please. He in the room.
Yeah, quickly. So when we ask for when we say a JPR question is basically when they ask you a question and you have to give your response. You have to answer by giving your personal opinion. Okay. The next question is how to answer. So how to answer a JPR. And y'all have any ideas? How do I answer a JPR question?
First, you start off with the introduction, like whether you agree or disagree with the statement.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Anyone else? How do we write how do we answer JPR question?
Then after you do the agree or disagree, then you gotta give 4 more points.
Okay,
Then the
for a reason.
You have
Okay.
to give biblical example and a
Biblical
personal
example. Okay.
opposing view.
Okay, an opposing view.
And you gotta say why you agree or disagree.
Okay. Okay. Very good answers. Yolanda, how do you answer JPR question?
Pardon me?
So how do you answer to JPR question?
So first you want to say if you agree or disagree with the statement
Uh-huh.
that was given. And then you want to give your points that you will be talking on about that statement.
Uh-huh.
And then you want to go into detail about those points.
Mm-hmm.
And then you want to give an opinion from the other point of view.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. All right, Havana, can you read the first thing that I have written when answering?
When answering a JPR question, you must first state your position whether or not you agree with the statement given and rewrite the statement.
Very good. What's the example that I have?
I agree that.
Very good. Now, it don't have to be, I agree. You could disagree as well. So you don't have to agree all the time. You don't have to disagree all the time. You could agree or disagree. Okay. And then we have the next step. Okay. Can you read number 2, Jasmine? Jasmine, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you read the first one? Can you read the second step, please?
Second.
Yeah.
Okay. You then begin to support your decision by biblical reference or example of, let's say,
Scenarios.
scenarios from your personal experience. Facts can also be used when supporting your position. Try to give at least 4 different examples or references.
Very good. Can you agree and disagree?
I mean,
Is
it
it possible?
depends.
Yes, like if you are in between.
It depends how you write it.
Yes, it depends on how you write it. And honestly, I remember writing for the first time my agree and disagree. And I got a 5 or a 7. And I was so mad. Because I usually get 7 or the 7, 6 or the 7, thereabout. But when I got 5 or the 7, I was like, Miss Curtis, I write so much. And I still end up getting 5. And she told me, said, the reason why I got 5 was because even though I agree and disagree, I had more points for one reason and less points for the other. So when you're agreeing or disagreeing, you can't just focus on one side. You have to focus on both sides and show why both sides make sense to you. Okay? And you have to be careful how you say it. I would not recommend agreeing and disagreeing unless you absolutely have to and unless you're really good. But if you're not really good, please don't try to agree and disagree. Either try agree or disagree. That'd be way more simpler. Okay? Jennifer, can you read number 3?
Take note that if you choose to agree and disagree, you put at least twice.
Thank you.
Give at least 4 reasons for your first position and 3 for the second position. Make your strongest position your first statement.
Very good. And the final thing. The final one can Carmela, can you read the final one, please?
Finally, you have your conclusion. In your conclusion, you would simply restate the position that you would have taken up in the beginning as a closing.
Okay, good. Okay. So when you're writing your when you're writing your JPR, make sure start with your position. I agree. Blank, blank, blank. So you make sure the statement, make sure state your position and also give the statement again. So I agree that XYZ is the following statement. So for example, if the JPR's question says, Christians today have no power. So you would say, I agree that Christians today have no power. And then you give the reasons why you believe that Christians today have no power. All right. Or if the question is, do you believe that only Christians should take the communion? Then you would say, I agree that only Christians should take the communion, or I disagree that, or I disagree that, or I disagree that some people should not be able or should not be allowed to take the communion. So in each case, you have to state clearly your position and also the statement back again. After that, you're going to give 4 reasons, at least 4 reasons as to why you believe that, at least 4 reasons as to why you believe that that your position is the right position, whether you agree or disagree. And then you're going to end back again by stating, I agree that, you can end up by saying, I agree that only Christians should be allowed to take the Holy Communion, or I agree that Christians today have no power. Whatever it is, you have to restate that again. Okay. I want you all to do this for homework. So for homework, I want you to do this JPR question, and it says, the truth will always come out in the end. All right. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? The truth will always come up in the end. I want you to submit it. It's due on or before next Thursday. Okay. I need to see it. See what you're writing next Thursday. It's due on or before next Thursday. That is everyone who was in here: Angelina, Antoine, Aiden, Chris Raming, Carmela, Jennifer, all of you. I want this homework to be submitted on or before next Thursday. Answered based on how we talked about and what we discussed. Okay. All right. Any questions before we go? Because we have to go. Any questions? All right. If you're done, if you're done taking down the notes, you can leave. If you're not done, please take a screenshot so that we can depart. Okay. At any rate, have a wonderful night, and I'll see you on next week, Monday. For those who are coming on Sunday classes, remember it's Sunday at 2 o'clock. All right. Sunday at 2 o'clock, face to face. All right. Have a wonderful night. And I'll see you on Monday or Sunday if you come to Sunday classes. Have a good one.